There is a critical piece here that allows this clamp to work properly. And what we've done is we've added. The nice thing about this in the handle is you don't feel that swing, and it's always there. It never slips. Making your poles into adjustable poles is very easy, and we can do it with any brand. It's very simple. If you need us to do this for you, you send us your poles and we will do all the work, send it back to you. You pay just for the parts. There is a critical piece here that allows this clamp to work properly. And what we've done is we've added 4 pedals that give it a greater adherence around the pole. And there's also a rubberized overmold, which is like a sticky rubber, and that's what allows the pole to clamp even better. So now you only need 1 pole for both classic and skating. And so we've never had any of these handle extension kits break in the years that we've been testing them, and we're proud to release the first adjustable handle kit on a racing pole. Thanks for watching this video about our handle extension pieces. Check out our website, USSPpoles.com, and like our YouTube channel. Thank you. What's nice about having the adjustability in the handle is that you don't feel any extra swing weight. Is that you don't feel any extra swing weight. Is that you don't feel any extra swing weight. Is that you don't feel any extra swing weight.